everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to change phone number on Facebook. To do that, open the Facebook application first and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you tap on the horizontal lines on the top right, and from there you tap on setting and privacy on the bottom. Then tap on settings. In the settings, you tap on personal and account information. Tap that. Here you tap on contact info. Tap on it. Now there's the contact number of yours that the Facebook can contact to. Here you need to tap on that and you will have the option to remove this. Tap on remove. The only way how you can change phone number is by removing the previous one and then adding a new one. Are you sure you want to remove this number from your account? You tap on I understand I could lose access to my account. Tap on remove number. To save this setting, you will need to provide your Facebook password. Type in password of yours and then tap on remove phone. And with that, the phone number has been removed. Now you tap on add phone number. Now you type in the phone number of yours that you want to change it to. That is the new phone number. And then tap on continue. Now a confirmation is required where you will be sent a code to your phone number. With that, the confirmation will be auto-detected and the phone number will be added. You tap on close. There you can see the number has been added. So this is how you can change your phone number on Facebook by removing the previous phone number and adding a new one. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.